Presented by 4-H.
First, robotics, the varsity sport for the mind.
When we first got back from our kickoff event, we were a little frustrated because of the huge sum of parts that we had. We weren't really sure what to do. But once we started taking inventory and figuring out what we had, the ideas started coming, and we just started to get an idea of exactly what we wanted to do with our robot.
As a high school senior heading to college, I've come to realize that science, engineering, and technology is involved in our everyday life, and how students today are challenged with those classes in school. With the 4-H robotics program, it helps them use and apply those skills both in the classroom and as working as a team in the robotics program.
The North Spokane Yetis.
Our strategy is going to be play defense as much as we can, try to block the other teams from getting any points. We're working on getting a mini bot deployer right now, so hopefully we'll have a good defensive bot and then also a mini bot deployer and mini bot. So then, but yeah, other than that, our strategy is just to play tough out there and have fun.
If you see on the field, you have your lines, the area, basically on the board, allowing our team to work on putting our points on the board and trying to slow them down. So that's the main plan.